Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to export Google Photos. You have to start by open your browser and right here write Google Takeout. Now enter into Google Takeout. You need to sign in into your account. Right here, if you at the right top, you can check what account you use. And I don't want to use this account. I want to use my another account. So I click on it and then select my account. And now we use this one. Amazing. Then click deselect all, because we need to only save photos from Google Photos. After you deselect them, scroll down, you need to find Google Photos. Okay, so right here we have it. Check mark. Now, the most important, right here we have all photos, all photo albums included. So click on it. And right here you select what you wanna save from Google Photos. If you want to select all of them, just do nothing with it, scroll down, and if you want to select some, you need to deselect all and then select some photos. Let's say I wanna from 2023 or 2024, let's do this. Click OK and then scroll down. So click at the next step. Right here I'm going to use my email. You can add it to the drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. It's up to you. Export once, file type zip, and file size. So if you have a lot of photos, I recommend it to set maybe 10 gigabytes, and it will send to you a few files, 10 gigabytes each. But right now I haven't a lot of photos, so 2 gigabytes is okay, or even 1 gigabyte, but I guess I leave 2 gigabytes. So create export. Now we should sign in into the Gmail account. So write Gmail, enter here, and again I want to use another account, so I click on it, select my another account, and already I have the mail. But maybe if you want to save all of them, maybe you need to wait more time. Okay, so click at the mail. Not this one. Okay, so actually we need to wait a bit. I guess I will speed up it for you. And now we have it. So open it, and now I have two files. This third one, there is nothing interesting at this file. Okay, let me sign in. So did we have something here? No, we haven't. So let's install first two files here. Then you need to wait until, as you can see, I have 2 gigabytes file and 1 and 4. If I select 10 gigabytes, it will send me just only one file folder, zip file. Okay, so I guess I will speed up it for you, but we can right now create the folder. So let's say you wanna send it on your desktop. Let's create the folder for it. Let's call it Google Photos. And now we need to wait until this finished. And now we can open the first file. I recommend it to sorted by size. So now we can move it. So we don't need JSON file. I mean, maybe you need, but I don't need it. I want only my photos and videos. Extract to, and now we can select the folder here and move it to this folder. And also we can do the same with the second. And after that, let's check this folder. Did we have all photos? And right here we have all of them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.